Oh, hi guys. So today we're going to do two things. We're going to close our eyes and make a hamburger. Thank you, FGTV, for letting us have this idea. So first, what do you want to do first?
The hamburger.
Okay, let's close our eyes and do the hamburger. And we're also gonna do this dentist thing.
I'm gonna get this with my
Okay.
Yeah.
Now close your eyes.
Mommy, can I
close
help?
your eyes and okay. Just Enzi.
Mommy, can I help?
Okay. Now, Enzi. Pick three things by closing your eyes. 1, 2,
Where is it?
3. Okay, and
Mommy, where is it? You're doing
Mama, open these. So,
Okay.
Mama, open these.
So.
Open those.
Oh, this one's new. I can feel it. It's new.
Giving you when you're done with one.
Okay, so I'm gonna make the bun first.
Okay.
Ah.
Are you doing okay?
I can't hold this.
This one's.
So.
I think this one. What? Oh, this one's closed. Can you open it? I'm saying. Where's the other one?
Right here.
Can you open?
I'm gonna.
Where's the one that's right here? Okay.
This is not shaped as a hamburger.
Oh, I can tell which one this is. This is a black one. I know it. Okay. So.
I don't know which color this is.
Wait, where's the black?
How do you know it's black?
Because it's all sticky.
Oh, okay. Or it might be brown because brown is sticky too.
Okay.
It's either brown or black. Those ones are really sticky. Mommy, does this look good?
Sure.
Can you hand me? Oh.
Let's just do a pizza.
No. I'm making a hamburger.
Okay. Well, mine doesn't really look like a hamburger bun. How about this is the bottom?
Do you need blindfolds?
Yes. Can I have my sleep mask? I need blindfold. How dare you, Mama?
I don't.
I do.
Okay.
I do. Cause I keep like looking.
You
Well, I
open this,
always,
Mama?
well, I
Oh,
always
okay.
try to look.
Oh. Okay, where's my? Oh my goodness.
Is this the right way?
FGTV, I know how you feel. I know how you feel when you did this. Okay, now I'm gonna make the lettuce. Oh my gosh, I have a feeling this
Is this
is
the
not
bottom?
Not there.
Nope, this is red.
Oh gosh.
Red.
Now I'm gonna make some ketchup.
Can you open this? Can you open this? The red. Wait. I meant to say this Play-Doh because I get confused with red because I was thinking about an apple.
Mommy, can you open this?
Here you go, Nancy. It's in
Can
front
you
of
open this? Where are you?
I have no idea if this is red.
I feel like I'm building a
If
pyramid.
this is red, that would be crazy. This is red. Don't tell me if it is red, Mommy. Where's the container? Here it is.
Brown. I hope this is brown. No, I hope it's black.
I need this to be.
I hope this.
Ew, this one's really sticky. This is really.
No, I need the
sticky.
Mama, which one did I use first?
I don't know.
Like which one? Like what? Tell me if I'm getting. Which one did I use first?
This one.
This is
Okay.
This is gonna be the tomato.
Okay. And I am done.
I'm not.
Oh my god.
Are you
Wait, you're
looking at-
making a pizza?
What is that?
I don't
That's a
know.
hamburger.
I'm trying to make a hamburger. I'm not that good at it. I'm sorry.
No.
You
Oh.
know, Nancy?
Lettuce.
Oh, what is gonna look cool. Look at this.
Can you open
Look
this?
at this.
You just dropped it. I can hear it. I think this.
Oh my goodness.
This is like. Oh. This one's hard. I'm not using
And
this.
are you making lettuce right now?
I'm not using this.
Are you
It's
making
hard.
lettuce? Is that one lettuce?
Yes, but it was hard.
It's
Hard.
Oh yeah.
I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint. You're on the right track.
No, not that one. I don't feel like it anything.
And you feel my hamburger. Feel it. Feel it, hamburger. It's so good.
What?
And that's a hamburger.
Open this one. I don't know if that's green or not. I don't know.
Oh my goodness, Enzo,
What?
you're gonna make a perfect hamburger.
Okay.
That's for sure.
Okay.
Okay, I think you're gonna be the winner.
Oh, where's?
Uh,
Okay, it is.
Hashtag Ensley is smart in the comment section below. Hashtag Ensley is super smart. Those are my 3 colors. Oh, I actually used 4.
How dare you?
Sorry, I didn't know which colors I was using. I was just closing my eyes and just going.
I feel like I'm on the right track since you said that.
You actually are. Hashtag Denver's is terrible for in the comment section below for me to win, or hashtag hers is terrible. Hers is terrible for her to win. I mean, hers is smart for her to win.
Which one should I pick? Wait, what am I doing right now?
I don't.
Oh,
know.
the patty. I already did a patty.
Oh,
So I have to give.
it looks like I just got it looks like I have a cheeseburger.
Is this good?
What you're making?
The patty.
I don't know.
Actually, yeah. Wait, just say if it's good or not. Is this the good color?
It's kind of like a poopy color.
Then it's definitely like barf color. Mommy, where are you? Open it.
She's coming right now.
Right now. Where is it? Okay, it's right there. You don't have to put it in my face. Oh, we already used this one. Aha! I know what that is.
I said, where am I? This right there.
I'm feeling it right there. I don't like it. I don't like that sound. Stop. Where's my penny? Here. Let me see if it's okay. This is a tiny hamburger. This is tiny. I get some.
Well, I need to open this so I can put this away.
Are you still making your hamburger?
No.
Okay.
Mine's super. Mine's super good, right, guys? Whoa. Well, it's kind of good because I just got the buns wrong. Because I got the cheese, which is yellow, and I got the patty kind of.
You just
so it's
reminded
black
me.
kind of.
I have to get cheese.
Oh, yeah.
This one is open. Wait, is it open? Is this one open? Yes. Okay.
Oh, Auntie, that's a poopy color. No, that's a poopy color.
No, I'm not getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I feel like you're tricking me.
You're fine. No. It's not a poopy color.
Yes. You're trying to trick me. Cheese is like, I don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna do the shape. And now that's all my hamburger. Alright.
Gotta make the bun.
Okay, I guess this is.
That's cheese you just picked up.
No, it's not. This is a tiny bit one. No, it's not cheese.
No, that's a part of the cheese you picked up.
I'm gonna
You
make
picked
this
up a-
onion. I'm gonna make this onion.
No, you just picked up a part of the cheese.
Oh, I didn't. You're tricking me again.
How do you know this?
Because this is so tiny.
Because you're not smart.
I am smart.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna make this some
Fine.
onion. And now I'm gonna make some more patty. I guess I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, so I'll just put that right there. I can't even make this fly. Okay, there we go. I feel like this is right. Stop.
Fine.
I don't like it.
Fine.
I know you're putting stuff on it.
Fine.
I know you're putting stuff on it. Okay, I'm gonna take it.
What?
It's perfect!
I know, that's why I said it's on the right track.
It is perfect!
Don't look at mine. Don't look at
It
mine.
is-
Don't look at mine.
It is perfect!
And look at don't look at mine.
Oh, remember when FGTV did the pizza and Daddy just ate it, just ate the pizza, Play-Doh pizza.
1, 2, 3.
That is horrible.
Well, it was kind of like I got the cheese and the patty, kind of. I got the patty kind of because it's like kind of black and grilled and stuff.
I got the
And
same.
then, but
I got
the only thing I got wrong is the patties. The patties.
I'm-
We didn't have the patties to look perfect.
I need to put
Only if I
some
had
on.
this color on the patties. Only if I had that color.
You would like that color. It's orange.
Okay, round 2 of this.
Beautiful.
Okay, round 2 of this.
What should we do for round 2?
No. First we have to do this guy. Okay.
What should we do?
Okay, so
Here, this
let's eat our hamburgers. Oh, that was a good bite.
I don't want to ruin my masterpiece. I don't want to ruin my masterpiece.
Okay, put. Okay, guys, we're gonna make a part 2 to this. So turn off the camera, mommy. Bye.
Bye.
Peace out. This is gonna be on the same day, by the way. Now, okay.